keep the good times rolling. And now I'll never let it stop, you'll only find me growing. Come on and sing out a song and don't be shy, cause you'll never know till you give it a try. Colorful like a work of art, a brand new day, a brand new start. And once you go up, you'll never come down. Like you walked around in the air with your feet far off the ground. And if it takes some time to ask you why, I always see you with a smile. You tell me that life is grand, life is great, life is good, life is beautiful. You gotta give it all you got, everything you got to give. Time to shine, time to live. And life is grand, life is great, life is good, life is beautiful. Now you're living out your dream with your hopes up high. Your only limit is the sky. Hey! Turn it up, crank it up, feel it all around. Feel the power of the music, feel the power of the sound. Life's a great vibration, full of color, filled with motion. In the moving like a wave, my body fluid like the ocean. I don't waste my time with troubles, too late. I win, countdown, blast off, strapped up, strapped in. Now it's pounding like my heart, just like the rhythm in the street. My body grooving from my head to my feet. Just feel the beat. Just feel the beat. I got the rhyme time algorithm, feed the field and meter. Uptown tempo, tapping, blowing out the speaker. I got the move, sway, jump, jive, singing out my song, living life to the fullest with my dance shoes on. Take a look around you, everything it has a beat. From the people all around to the walls of concrete. There's a rhythm, there's a flow, there's a stop, there's a go. If you never paid attention, then maybe you didn't know. Everything is moving to a relative time, you can always count it out. There's a reason and a rhyme, you were made to feel alive.